In February 2026, 3 luxury cruise ships silently changed course. Thousands of passengers were never told why. One port crossed off the itinerary without warning. And if you have a cruise booked for 2026, you need to hear this before you set foot on that ship. This is part 3 of our Dangerous Cruise Ports series, and the ports we're revealing today are the ones they are still not telling you about. In part 1 and part 2 of this series, we showed you ports in Mexico, Jamaica, Colombia, Egypt, and Central America. Tens of thousands of you watched those videos, and many of you wrote to us. What about this port? What about that destination? So today, we went further. We investigated 5 more ports, from the Caribbean to Central America, and even one in Asia that almost no one is talking about. Stay until the end, because port number 4 could be a matter of life and death. Port number 1, Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. On the surface, Puerto Vallarta looks like a dream. Beautiful beaches, colorful markets, crystal blue water. But in February 2026, just weeks ago, 3 major cruise lines quietly removed it from their itineraries. Royal Princess, Holland America Zuiderdam, Norwegian Bliss, all canceled their Puerto Vallarta port call. The official reason, operational changes. The real reason, a cartel assassination in the city center. The U.S. State Department currently lists Puerto Vallarta under Level 3, reconsider travel. That is 1 level below do not travel. And here is what frightens us most for cruise passengers. You could wake up at sea and be told your port stop has been canceled. No explanation, no refund for your shore excursion, just a change of course. If you have Puerto Vallarta on your 2026 itinerary, watch this port very, very carefully.
Port number 2, St. Lucia. This one is perhaps the most shocking on our list today, because St. Lucia is marketed as the most beautiful island in the entire Caribbean. The pitons, the rainforest, the crystal clear water. And yet, 55 cruise passengers were robbed at gunpoint during an official shore excursion. Not wandering off on their own, not ignoring safety advice, on a tour organized by the cruise line. And that is not all. In the final months of 2025, 4 couples on honeymoon were robbed at knife point at one of the island's most famous resorts. St. Lucia does not look dangerous. That is exactly why it is. Our advice, if your ship stops in St. Lucia, stay in the immediate port area. Do not venture out, even on an organized excursion, without checking the latest travel advisories first. Before we continue, if this information is useful to you, please take 5 seconds and subscribe. We publish cruise safety warnings every week, and the next port on our list today may be one you are already booked to visit. Port number 3, Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Now, if you watched part 1 of this series, you already know about Falmouth and Montego Bay, but Ocho Rios is different, and in many ways, more dangerous for our viewers specifically. The famous Dunn's River Falls excursion draws hundreds of cruise passengers every single day. It is the #1 shore excursion in all of Jamaica. And the path to get there is a trap. Aggressive vendors, men claiming to be official guides, strangers offering to help passengers with directions. And they are not there by accident. They specifically target older passengers, passengers who look confused, passengers who look alone. Once they have your attention, they walk you away from the port zone, away from security, away from your group. Rule number 1 in Ocho Rios: if someone approaches you offering to guide you, walk away immediately. Only use excursions booked directly through your cruise line, and never, never follow a stranger outside the port gates. Port number 4, Samaná, Dominican Republic. This is the port we promised you earlier. And the danger here is not what you expect. It is not crime, it is not gangs. It is the complete absence of emergency medical services. Samaná is known for whale watching. Between January and March, it is breathtaking. Humpback whales, crystal water, remote beaches. But here's what the cruise brochures never mention. If you suffer a heart attack 30 minutes outside the port, there is no ambulance coming. The nearest equipped medical facility is over an hour away, under good conditions. The roads to the whale watching sites are remote. Cell phone coverage disappears quickly. For our viewers who are managing heart conditions, blood pressure, or diabetes, this is not a port to explore independently. If your ship stops in Samaná, stay close to the pier, or choose only ship-organized excursions with medical support on board. Your life is worth more than a whale photo. And finally, port number 5, the one that almost no cruise safety channel is talking about: Manila, Philippines. As more cruise lines expand into Southeast Asia, MSC, Costa, Princess Cruises, Manila is appearing on more and more itineraries marketed to American and European travelers. And here's what you need to know. Manila Port is surrounded by one of the most aggressive pickpocketing zones in all of Asia. Organized groups, working in teams, targeting tourists the moment they step off the gangway. Phones, wallets, passports, all gone in seconds. And losing your passport in Manila is not a small inconvenience. It means missing your ship. It means consulate visits. It means days, possibly weeks, stranded abroad. If Manila is on your itinerary, use a money belt worn under your clothes. Carry only a copy of your passport, never the original, and book only ship-organized transfers. Do not walk to attractions independently, even short distances. 5 ports, 5 very different dangers. Cartel violence in Mexico, armed robbery in Paradise, targeted scams in Jamaica, no help if you need it in Samaná, and a pickpocket network in Asia. The cruise lines will not tell you any of this, but now you know. If this video helped you, share it with someone who has a cruise booked in 2026. It might be the most important thing they watch before they leave. And if you missed part 1 and part 2 of this series, they're right here waiting for you. Stay safe, enjoy your cruise, and we'll see you in the next one.